लेकर आपने और निशाना साधा था और अरविंद केजरीवाल के बंगले को लेकर आपने मुद्दा बनाया था।
देखिए, केजरीवाल सरकार ने भ्रष्टाचार और वादा खिलाफी के सिवाय कुछ नहीं किया है। उन्होंने कहा था कि हम गाड़ी नहीं लेंगे, गाड़ी ले ली, बंगला ले लिया, सारी सुविधाएं ले ली और बेइंतहा भ्रष्टाचार किया है। और जहां तक शीश महल का सवाल है, 4 बंगले तोड़कर 51 करोड़ से ज्यादा खर्च कर उन्होंने अपना गरीब घर बनाया। ये दिल्ली के गरीबों का पैसा है। और अन्ना के भ्रष्टाचार के आंदोलन से राजनीति में आए हुए केजरीवाल जी ने हजारों करोड़ का भ्रष्टाचार कर दिल्ली की जनता को धोखा दिया। दूसरी ओर नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने जो वादे किए वो सारे पूरे किए। इस बार दिल्ली की जनता तय कर बैठी है कि 5 फरवरी को इस आपदा से मुक्ति पालेगी।
यमुना के पानी को लेकर राजनीति की जा रही है। अरविंद केजरीवाल कहते हैं कि जल आतंकवाद, यमुना के लोगों को मारने की कोशिश की जा रही है हरियाणा सरकार द्वारा।
चलिए मैं बताऊंगा सार्वजनिक रैली पर, मगर इसके किसी भी बयान में जनता को भरोसा नहीं।
Union Home Minister Amit Shah there while on campaign trail tearing into the Aam Aadmi Party. Corruption is a main plank as far as the BJP is concerned. Claiming that Arvind Kejriwal's corruption and the Aam Aadmi Party's sins will all be exposed and the people of Delhi will punish them. Union Home Minister Amit Shah making a pitch for his party, for the BJP ahead of election season here in the national capital. Arun, my colleague, now joining us, getting us more details. Arun, corruption seems to be the main plank as far as the BJP is concerned against the Aam Aadmi Party. Sheesh Mahal is something that they have been speaking on. That's something that the Home Minister highlighted once again.
Well, see, that's right. That has been one of the top issues which BJP is raising in Delhi elections. They've been alleging this Sheesh Mahal, the expenditure which Aam Aadmi Party government done on that house is something which is significant. And in fact, we've seen the likes of Prime Minister Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, and all other BJP leaders have been, visiting to the slums and various areas, pointing out this thing that, look, this guy has come to power in 2013, telling you that he's an Aam Aadmi, he will work for Aam Aadmi. But eventually what he did, he spent more than 50 crore on renovating his house only. So I think this has been one of the biggest poll planks that BJP has been using against Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal. And today, once again, Amit Shah highlighting that point. In fact, when he was in that Kasturba Nagar roadshow, while speaking to CNN News 18 in this regard. Of course, there are other issues, various other outreach plans which BJP has made, whether it is giving 2,500 per month to the economically weaker section women, and also providing that 21,000 for the pregnant women, and all these things are also very important. So BJP is banking on various issues in this election in Delhi. They know that they have been out of power for 27 years in Delhi, which is a significant time. So therefore, this time around, they do not want to leave any stone unturned. Putting all the energies, all the efforts, all their top leaders, chief ministers, whoever is possible, who have ever have even a smallest of vote bank here in Delhi. They are coming to Delhi, campaigning in Delhi, and making sure that this time around, when there is anti-incumbency also against Aam Aadmi Party, can really be taken advantage of that.
Right, Arun, do stay